work out the size of angle ACD. ACD. So we want to find this angle here, the small one here. Now, if you'd like to try it, please give it a try. Pause the video and try it first. Now, this angle here is this big angle minus this one here. If the big one is 60, for example, and this one is 40, so this angle is going to be 60 minus 40, which is 20. So all this question is just to find these two angles and then subtract them. Let's start. To find this angle here, the small one here, I'll just look at this triangle here. Now, using SOHCAHTOA, this side is opposite and this is adjacent, so let's call them O and A. Opposite and adjacent, this is TOA, so we'll use the tan. Opposite always goes up and adjacent comes here. Now, instead of opposite, I'll use 9, so it's going to be tan inverse 9 over 15, opposite over adjacent, and that gives you 30.9637. So this is small angle here. Now, to find the angle, we want to find the big angle here. So we will look at the big triangle now. Now, the adjacent stays the same, it doesn't change because it's this angle. But we don't have this side, so we will not use the opposite. And we have this side, so we'll use the hypotenuse. Now, H and A, that's cosine. So we'll use the cosine triangle. Adjacent goes up and hypotenuse comes down here. So to find an angle, we'll use cosine inverse. Adjacent is 15, hypotenuse is 21, so it's 15 over 21. And that gives you 44.4. Now, we have the two angles. Let's just have a look at how they look like. Now, the big angle is 44 point something, and the small angle is 36. Now, to find the angle is 30, I mean. To find the angle we are looking for, we'll just do 44 minus 30, and that gives you 13.45. Now, the question says to one decimal place. That's why the answer is just 13.5. This is a 4 marks GCSE question. Easy peasy, isn't it? Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and tell me if you can find the angle in a different way. Thank you for following. Bye.